Hi everybody, it's Gemma. Welcome back to Pampered Wolf. Today we're going to do the next installment in the If I Only Had So Many Minutes series, and today is the turn of the 10 minutes. So if I only had 10 minutes, what makeup would I put on? Now this is the perfect video to do today because I've got my kids off on half term, so I have my trusty helper here today because she was bored, she wants to get involved, and she wants to choose my headband for the day, which you all know is a bit of a thing for me, just to stop my hair going all kinky. Blimey. Come and say hi while you're here. She's still got her pyjamas on, by the way. We're having a bit of a pyjama day today. You want me to wear...
Pudgy ears.
Pudsy ears. Pudsy ears.
Yes.
Okay, kisses. Go.
I
Bye bye.
to wear some pudgy ears.
Love you.
Bye.
Okay, Pudsy ears it is. Okay, so the last video was the If I Only Had 5 minutes video, so we're moving on and doubling up on the time today. So instead of spending a lot of time on one area, we're going to spend a very little amount of time on lots of areas and just have the basics on the face. So I'm going to do foundation, I'm going to do mascara, I'm going to do brows, cheeks, that sort of thing, and see if we can fit it into a 10-minute window. It is going to be tight, but we'll see whether we can cram it all in. Now, to make things easier, I am going to be using a powder foundation. This is the brand new Kat Von D Lock-It powder foundation. I've used this several times, usually when I'm going to a football match and I've just woken up and I really need to get ready in a hurry. This is the one that I reach for. It's a lovely foundation and it's medium to full coverage depending on how long you want to work at it. It's going to be medium coverage today because I don't have very long. I'm also going to use mascara, and I absolutely love the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. It's an excellent mascara. I've already done a review on this product. If you haven't seen that review, I will link it up here for you so you can watch that later. It's an excellent mascara if you've got really short, dinky lashes. My auntie has practically no lashes whatsoever. Hi, Auntie Eileen, I know you're watching. Hi. We go on holiday together a lot. I'm going to miss her this year because I'm not going on holiday with her this year. Anyway, that aside, she has really, really short lashes, and when we go away on holiday together, she tends to borrow a few of my products just to try them out, and she really loved this mascara. In fact, so much so she's been and bought her own. So this is a really, really good mascara. Coats the lashes in practically one stroke, so it's really quick to use as well. Does lengthen, it does make them look beautiful. Doesn't go clumpy, but you do have to take your time with it to make sure that it doesn't go clumpy. I don't have that time today, so fingers crossed this is gonna go well. We're also gonna do brows. I'm gonna use my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade, what is the shade? Ash Brown. Ash Brown. I always get it mixed up with the other shades that I've got. This is a really good brow pencil. It's really precise and you can use it so quickly and it doesn't make a mess. So I'm going to use this one today. If I do have time, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Brow Blade and use the ink stain end just to fill in the front of my brows. I'm loving this product at the moment. I'm using it every single day and the ink stain hasn't dried out on me yet. And I haven't been storing it like this, like I've been told by a few of you to store it like that, but you know, I'm lazy, I haven't been doing that. I've been just storing it in a drawer and it's still going strong. Really loving this product. For cheeks, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Duo in Fiji. Really, really nice palette. I'm just gonna be using the blusher today. And for bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Body Shop Honey Bronzer, I think it is. This is in the shade medium, which is 03. And I'm gonna use something slightly different. Just caught a glimpse of myself in the monitor. Looking sexy today. I'm gonna use something slightly different on my lips. Revlon have just brought out some new lip shades. These are lip cushions. If you're in the US, you've probably seen these plenty of times before because these have been practically around for about a year now, but they're relatively new in the UK. I've had these in my drawer for around about a month. I have tried a couple of them out. As you can see, they are so beautiful, make your lips feel really hydrated, really moisturized, really nourished, and yet add that little pop of color on the lip. Okay, so I've forgotten a couple of products. I'm not quite sure why I didn't say this right at the beginning, because the first product I'm going to be using today is the L'Oreal Infallible More Than a Concealer in the shade 326, which is vanilla. It's a great concealer, this one. Very, very matte though, so if you don't like something really matte, you might want to stay clear of this one, but I really like it, so that's that one. And I'm going to set everything in place using my normal RCMA No Colour Powder, which we all know I absolutely love. So that is all the products covered. I will link all those items in the description box below, as well as all their prices. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave if you like what you see. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. It's at Pampered Wolf, all lowercase, no spaces. I do little makeup videos and little tutorials on there that do not feature on YouTube. So if you want to see those as well, do make sure that you're following me on Instagram as well. Okay, so a lot of people did comment in the last video saying that it really would have helped them out had I not edited things out, shown it from start to finish, and maybe put a timer in the corner. In hindsight, that is the way I should have done it, and I have listened to you. That is exactly the way I'm going to do it in this video. So there will be no editing whilst I'm putting these products on my face, and there will be a timer in one of the corners. I'm not quite sure which one yet. I haven't decided. So I will put a timer up there. You will see it from start to finish. A little bit of a tip for you: have your makeup products lined out the night before. This will really help you out if you are anything like me, especially when I'm in a rush. I get very, very clumsy, and sometimes it takes me 2-3 minutes to actually find an item that I want to use. Maybe it's got lost in my drawer or in my makeup bag, or maybe it's just staring me in the face and I can't see it, which often happens. But anyway, I've got everything laid out for me here. So I'm going to use all the products that I've already mentioned, and I'm going to do this video without any talking, so it allows me to get everything done exactly how I would do it in the morning if I only had 10 minutes. Just a quick FYI, I already have my skincare on my face. A few other people mentioned that in the last video, if I only had 5 minutes, I would only have time to do my skincare. This is post skincare time. I would never suggest that you should do makeup before skincare. Skincare is the most important step, and if you only have time to do skincare, then that's really what you should be doing. Take the makeup with you, do it throughout the day, do it whenever you can, but always put your skincare on in the morning. Look after your skin, everything else will follow. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so this is the finished look in 10 minutes, or maybe a little smidge over 10 minutes, but that is the concealer's fault. Well, actually, it's my fault for picking this particular concealer. Not only is it slightly too pale for my skin, so I look like a deer in headlights, it takes quite a bit of blending time, this one. I should have chosen a concealer that just sinks nicely into the skin. My fault entirely. Anyway, if I hadn't used this concealer, if I'd have used one that sank into the skin, then this routine would have hit that 10-minute button easily. Everything else went on like a dream. I highly recommend a powder foundation if you are in a rush. This one is particularly nice because it can be built up to full coverage. It does have a little bit of a powdery residue on the surface of the skin, but you can easily get over that using a finishing spray or a setting spray just to take off that powdery residue. It just melts it into the skin. It just looks absolutely beautiful, but obviously didn't have time for that in the 10-minute video. Probably also didn't have time to use my brow blade, to be fair, but I really like it. Had to be done today. Everything else went on like an absolute dream. Really liking these Revlon Kiss Cushions. I think it looks really nice and it feels lovely. Really moisturising, like I've got a lip balm on my lip without it being a shiny finish. It's a matte finish, or a matte demi-sheen finish, but it feels really lovely on the lip. So I'm going to let you decide what is going to be the next one in this series of videos. Do you want 15 minutes or do you just want to jump to 20 minutes? Do let me know in the comment section below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please do give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. There is a watermark in this corner. If you click on it, it will take you through to my homepage where you can subscribe. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye!